guys, welcome to Draw with Mom. Today I'm going to draw a panda bear. Okay, grab your pens, let's get started. All right, we are going to start with the head of the panda. So we're just going to come around, down, back up to where we started. And now we're going to draw those panda ears round. There's one. And there's two. Okay, now we're going to go in and do his little nose. I'm going to color that in with the pen. And then we're going to do two eyes. Leave a little white in there. There's one. And there's two. We're going to put in his mouth. We're going to put a nice big smile on this guy. And then we're going to just draw his mouth. Okay, now we're going to go in and draw the black patches that go right around the eyes. So we're going to come around like this, come right back up and around, and then same thing on the other side, down and around. Okay, there's his face. Now we're going to do the body. So pandas are pretty chubby. We're going to come and start with arms on the outside, just right about there. And then same thing for the other arm, right about there. And then we're going to come in and draw his belly. So we're going to make it really big belly. We're going to come to right about here and across, and then do the same thing on the other side. All right. We are going to finish those hands. Paws. We're going to put little lines in there. And then we're going to give him a belly button. We're going to draw a couple little lines here because he's going to be sitting down to show that his little chubby belly showing. And then we're going to come up right about here and connect those two lines because his belly is white and his arms are black. Okay, now we're going to come and put the legs in. So this panda is sitting on the ground with his legs out. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this to the side, one little line here, and then we're going to do another line right about here, and then we're just going to put the round paw right on the end here, just like that. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. There. Here. I'm going to do that round foot. All right, we are going to draw three little paw pads here, the paws, the pads of the paw. And one right there. And then we're just going to draw a little bit of fur around his paws. Just some squiggly little lines. Okay. Now we're going to come in and draw some grass behind them. So just a couple long blades of grass. Maybe some small ones in front. Okay, it is time. Time to get coloring. Grab your crayon and let's get started. Okay guys, there we have it. There's our cute little panda.
Yay!
Thanks for watching today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Draw with Mom, and check me out on Instagram. See you next time.